Okay, picture this. It's Friday, payday. You look at your bank account and boom, that extra $1,000 is just sitting there. And you can almost hear it whispering, right? Hey, spend me. Concert tickets, that new phone you've been eyeing. I mean, the mall is practically screaming your name. The temptations are everywhere.
But you know how this story usually ends, don't you? With a faded receipt and not a whole lot to show for it. So this time, we're going to flip the script. You're going to make this money work for you. You're going to plant a seed that'll grow long, long after the thrill of that purchase is gone. And if that feeling hits home for you, well, welcome to the financial exit. You are in exactly the right place. We are about to walk you through a super simple, step-by-step game plan to turn that $1,000 from just spending money into a real wealth-building machine. All right, let's get into it. Here's the roadmap. First, we'll talk about that initial big decision. Then we'll build a rock-solid foundation. After that, we kickstart the growth engine, learn how to manage risk, build an automated system, and finally, we'll see the incredible transformation that happens in just 1 year.
It really does all start right here with this one choice. See, that $1,000 can either be a fun weekend or it can be the very first chapter of your long-term wealth story. This isn't just a choice, it's really the first step on your financial adventure.
Now, before we get to the really exciting stuff, and I promise we will, we've got to tackle two kind of boring but absolutely critical steps. Think of it like building a solid launchpad before you send a rocket to the moon. We've got to slay any high-interest debt and build ourselves a little emergency buffer. So check this out, because the math here is it's a no-brainer. Paying off a credit card that's hitting you with 20% interest, that's not just paying off debt. That is exactly the same as earning a guaranteed 20% return on your money. No stock, no bond, no investment on earth can promise you that. It is hands down the single best risk-free investment you can make. Period. Next up is your safety net. Look, life loves to throw curveballs, right? A flat tire, a cracked phone screen, you name it. An emergency buffer stops these little hiccups from forcing you to sell your investments at the worst possible time. Just park a couple months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. And hey, if that $1,000 is all you've got, just split it. But $300 aside for emergencies and invest the other $700. Trust me, being able to sleep soundly at night is a priceless asset. All right, foundation is secure. Now for the fun part. It is time to turn that cash into a compounding machine. And you know what? We're going to do it by ignoring all that noise about penny stocks and crypto for now. So I want you to meet the hero of our story, the good old index fund. This isn't complicated at all. It's just a way to own a tiny slice of hundreds of the biggest, strongest companies out there. You know, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all bundled together in one simple basket. If one company stumbles, you've got hundreds of others to pick up the slack. It's simple, it's diversified, and man, is it powerful. And this number, this right here, shows you the magic of compounding. You might think, $1,000 is nothing. But if you just leave it alone in an index fund averaging a 10% return, it could grow to about $45,000 in 40 years. That's not just your money growing, it's your money making money, and then that money making even more money. This just proves that time, not timing the market, is your real secret weapon. And you want to know the best part? It is ridiculously easy to do this. You download a brokerage app, link your bank account, search for a ticker symbol like VOO or VTI, and you hit buy. Seriously, in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee, you can become a part owner in pretty much the entire US economy. It's that simple. You know, investing isn't just about numbers. It's a huge head game. The market will go up and down, headlines are going to scream recession, and seeing your account in the red, that can be really tough. So let's talk strategy for staying steady and managing your own psychology. If the idea of those market swings keeps you up at night, check out this simple split. Put 60% in that index fund we just talked about, and the other 40% in something super duper safe like US Treasury bills. They're not going to make you rich, but they pay a solid interest rate and they act like a shock absorber, a buffer for your nerves, which is absolutely priceless on this journey. So what about picking individual stocks, trying to find the next Amazon? Well, think of it like hot sauce. A little bit, way later on, can add some exciting spice to your portfolio. But too much, too soon, it will burn you. Build your solid base first, then maybe you can start playing with the hot sauce. And crypto? Oh, that's a full-blown theme park roller coaster. The ups and downs are massive, and the future is still incredibly uncertain. If you feel like you absolutely have to get in on it, Treat a tiny amount, like $50, as your tuition fee for a masterclass in volatility. Okay, now for the secret weapon. Here's the most important point. Motivation fades, but systems stick around. The real secret to long-term success isn't about being pumped up every day. It's about building a system that just works for you automatically, in the background, no matter how you're feeling. And this is that system. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it's brilliant. You just set up an automatic transfer of a small amount, say $50 from every paycheck. Now, look at this timeline. When the market is down and prices are cheap, your $50 automatically buys you more shares. When it's up, it buys you fewer. This simple automated strategy turns market fear into a strength, and it is undefeated against panic and. Okay, let's fast forward 1 year from now. I want you to step back and just look at the incredible reward you've earned. And I'm not just talking about the money here. I'm talking about what you have built through sheer discipline. Think about it. After just 1 year, that nasty high-interest debt is gone. You've got a safety net for emergencies. Your investments are growing automatically without you even lifting a finger. But most importantly, you've ignored all the get-rich-quick noise, and you've built a powerful wealth-building muscle. The dollar amount in your account is way less important than the unstoppable system you've put in place. So I'm going to leave you with this question. 1 year from today, when you look at your account, what story do you want it to tell? Will it be a story of short-term spending, or will it be the first chapter in your journey to financial freedom? The choice is yours to make, and you can make it right now. Hey, if you found this game plan helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, and definitely subscribe to The Financial Exit for more simple, powerful strategies like this one. I'd love to hear your story too, so let us know your own ideas in the comments below to help inspire everyone else on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.